Agriculture and environment occupations. Vocabulary. Agricultural engineer. Applies engineering principles to agricultural practices, designing machinery, systems, and structures to improve farming efficiency and sustainability. Agronomist. Specializes in soil management and crop production, advising on planting, fertilization, and harvesting techniques to optimize yield. Soil scientist. Studies soil composition and health, providing guidance on soil conservation, fertility, and management practices. Plant breeder. Develops new plant varieties through genetic manipulation and selective breeding to improve crop yields and resistance to diseases. Agricultural economist. Analyzes economic data related to agriculture, advising on market trends, policy impacts, and resource allocation. Food scientist. Ensures food safety and quality by researching and developing processes for food production, preservation, and packaging. Agricultural consultant. Provides expert advice to farmers and agribusinesses on crop management, farm planning, and sustainable practices. Agricultural extension officer. Acts as a liaison between research institutions and farmers, disseminating information on new technologies and practices. Horticulturist. Specializes in the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants, focusing on improving growth and quality. Entomologist. Studies insects and their interactions with plants and animals, providing insights into pest control and pollination. Environmental engineer. Develops solutions to environmental problems, including pollution control, waste management, and sustainable design in agricultural settings. Conservation scientist. Manages natural resources to protect and improve the land while ensuring its sustainable use for agriculture and recreation. Forester. Manages forested lands for economic, recreational, and conservation purposes, including timber harvesting and habitat preservation. Water resource specialist. Focuses on the management and conservation of water resources, ensuring sustainable usage for agriculture and other needs. Farm manager. Oversees the daily operations of a farm, including crop production, livestock management, and financial planning. Agricultural inspector. Ensures compliance with laws and regulations governing the health, quality, and safety of agricultural products and facilities. Animal scientist. Conducts research on animal genetics, nutrition, reproduction, and management to improve livestock productivity and health. Aquaculture manager. Oversees the breeding and rearing of fish and other aquatic species for commercial purposes, ensuring optimal conditions and sustainability. Crop consultant. Advises farmers on crop selection, soil health, pest management, and overall crop production strategies. Agricultural policy analyst. Researches and analyzes policies affecting the agricultural sector, providing recommendations for legislative or organizational action. Sustainable agriculture specialist. Promotes farming practices that are environmentally friendly, economically viable, and socially responsible. Agricultural marketing specialist. Develops strategies to promote and sell agricultural products, analyzing market trends and consumer preferences. Soil conservationist works to prevent soil erosion and degradation, implementing practices to maintain soil health and productivity. Pest control advisor provides recommendations on managing pests in agricultural settings, ensuring effective and environmentally safe practices. Irrigation specialist designs and manages irrigation systems to optimize water use efficiency and agricultural production. Agricultural educator teaches and trains individuals in agricultural sciences, technologies, and practices at educational institutions or through extension programs. Farm equipment mechanic maintains and repairs farm machinery and equipment, ensuring their efficient and safe operation. Agricultural research scientist conducts experiments and studies to develop new technologies, crops, and methods to improve agricultural productivity. Dairy technologist specializes in the processing and production of dairy products, ensuring quality and safety standards are met. Viticulturist focuses on grape cultivation for wine production, managing vineyard practices to influence grape quality. Urban agriculture coordinator promotes and manages agricultural projects within urban settings, including community gardens and rooftop farms. Environmental compliance manager ensures that agricultural operations adhere to environmental laws and regulations, implementing sustainable practices. Precision agriculture specialist utilizes technology such as GPS and data analytics to optimize farming practices and resource use. Agroforestry specialist integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes to enhance biodiversity and ecosystem services. Organic certification inspector evaluates farms and processing facilities to ensure compliance with organic standards and regulations. Seed production technician oversees the production and quality control of seeds for agricultural use, ensuring genetic purity and viability. Livestock nutritionist formulates diets and feeding programs to meet the nutritional needs of livestock for optimal health and productivity. Renewable energy consultant advises on the implementation of renewable energy solutions in agricultural settings, such as solar or bioenergy systems. Agricultural communications specialist manages the dissemination of information related to agriculture through various media channels, including public relations and marketing. Rural development specialist works on projects aimed at improving the economic and social conditions of rural communities, often through agricultural initiatives. Agricultural loan officer assesses and approves loans for farmers and, often through agricultural initiatives,